Yes, let's go and finish up on what we started. Let's check what the temperature is. Tapwati, 79 degrees. From afar, it looks like it's nice and bright. Nice and bright. That's how we want it. The wood is bare and nice and bright. Still wet. You know I built that shit because that's why I put the screws in the middle of the wood planks. So far, no cupping, all flat. It's been here for 4 years. I am satisfied with my cleaning. Very satisfied. I got the next deal with this paint. I was painting the wall over here. But I'll deal with that another time. Let's see. These are the products all finished. That's $20. And $10, there's still a little more left in there. I'll use this for something else. Find you a use for it. So I'm very satisfied. The next step is to put the oil down, and that will be it for this year. In the end, I want it to look like this. I like the look of real wood, and I like the functionality of it. In other words, I don't want to put down some composite and while I'm barbecuing and the charcoal, whatnot, or bonfire just simply falls on the composite and destroys it. And destroyed, I mean. And the other thing is that, as I said in my last video, my kids are level 10 destructive, highly destructive kids. Highly destructive. I mean, level 10. From 1 to 10 is the level, they're level 10. 1 to 100, they're level 100. 1 to 1000, they're 1000. Case in point, there's this garage window here. It's all smashed in because of the basketball. Lots of things smashed. So you gotta build something durable. Level 10 destruction. And this is very strong. No springing, nothing like that. Anyway, I'm very satisfied. Let me show you what it is, all clean and nice. It's all drying up back there from earlier, and I will do another wash, but the next step is for me to put some oil down, and I am going to wait until like a month, maybe a month and a half. What I usually do is I scope out the calendar and I see if there's like no rain for like a couple of days, like 2-3 days, and then I buy some linseed oil and spread it on there. Let it there has to be no rain for like 2 days, but you know how April and May is, it's rain out here. So good, so far so good. Bon, let me switch over into my little Creole there. Bon, Mwen satisfè epi kouman I ka gade. Appearance. Mwen satisfè epi appearance la. I chèche bon. Mwen chiwe. Apre sa. Mwen kite chèche ti tak. Paske sole la te chou. Te pati a te ho. Jodi ya. Nou an sezon fwe di toujou. Jodi ya se yon flouk. On jou ki pa normal. Kon sa mwen servi pou chiwe. Mwen ke chiwe akor. Men yon de mwa. Nou an maz toujou. Pitet avwi aubergine. Mwen ke l'huile paske I ke pli chou. Api de mwa. La ka wèm vini mwen ke mette l'huile la sou yi. Epi ki ka gade kon sa. A te ala. Mwen gade angle. Mwen si miye bois. Mwen koule bois. Bois fort. Paske mwen yon ti barbecue la. Si mwen teni yon dek ki plastik. Mwen ka fe barbecue. Chebon an teke tombe a sou sa. Epi teke fon li. Fon plastik la. Epi sa mwen pa mele. Si chebon tombe a sou sa. I pa ke fon li. Opan. Epi zafan mwen men. Yon ka fe domaj. Niveau. Si ni niveau yon pou 10. Niveau yo se 10. Si niveau yon pou yon 100. Yo se yon 100. Yo ka kwaze biten. Mwen di ka moute yo de garaj la. Si moun la kwaze glas la. Ki la ba. Epi apwe zaman ni pou manje. Mwen ke viwe l'huile sa. Pitet a 2 mwa ou ben avan. Mwen ke lave akor. Mwen ke chiwe. Epi sa mwen ke l'huile. Epi se la mwen ka pase kawe mwen. Mwen kontan epi kouman I toune. I mouye toujou. Men I ga chèche. Mwen iti met panti la. Ki sorti hod la. Okay, that's about wraps it up. Let me put my barbecue grill back on here. That's the old man. Get my extra gallon of and I took this off because I'm gonna make another design. I don't like the look of this. Mwen pa eme sa piyes manye ka gade, mwen pa eme. Mwen ka fe meti pitet. Mwen kwe mwen ka meti zeb. Zeb ki pa vwe. Mwen ka false. Full grass. False. Et ça c'est chez là. Il y a ça c'est la montagne. Moi je nettoie tout ça. These are my deck. These are my chairs over here. So I'm just gonna store them right here, right underneath the tables here. All right, folks. When I come back, hopefully I'll have the grass on here. And everything will be copacetic. All right, adios.